Get your wishes ready. We have shooting stars in the forecast. The Perseid Meteor Shower is about to put on its best display in 5 years. Here's why. The Perseids are arguably the most popular meteor shower in the northern hemisphere because it takes place during the summer. Generally in the summer you have less clouds, so there's better viewing at night. Plus, it's just warmer. You can go outside in the dark and the extra humidity gives you a hug as you look up at the night sky. Meteor showers in the winter definitely take more layers, but the winter does have a longer time window to see the shooting stars because there's more darkness. When you're trying to catch a meteor shower, you want it to be as dark as possible. You want to get away from any city lights, but you also want to get rid of any lights in the sky. That includes the moon. And we're doing that this year. The peak of the Perseid Meteor Shower is August 13th. This year is especially good for seeing shooting stars at the peak because of the moon. On that night, the moon, a waning crescent, will only be 14% illuminated. That's the lowest illumination percentage by far since 2018. Less moonlight means more shooting starlight. Want to see the most shooting stars? We have to look in the right spot. You have to find the radiant of the meteor shower. The radiant is the part of the sky where it seems like the shooting stars are originating. The radiant of the Perseids is the constellation Perseus. Perseus was the mythological Greek hero, son of Zeus and Danae. He's the one who beheaded Medusa, the Gorgon with snakes for hair and turned anyone who looked into her eyes into stone. He was able to defeat her by using his shield's reflection. So why do we look towards Perseus, the constellation, in order to see the shooting stars? Well, it's thanks to the comet 109P Swift-Tuttle. The P stands for periodic comet, and then Lewis, Swift, and Horace Tuttle are the ones who discovered the comet in 1862. We see shooting stars because the Earth is passing through the dust debris field of the comet, and then the debris burns up in our atmosphere. But where should you look to find Perseus? He can be found in the night sky looking northeast, popping just above the horizon an hour after sunset, and then over the course of the night, Perseus gradually moves towards the top of the sky, ending almost directly above you as sunrise begins. NASA says you could see up to 40 meteors per hour if you're looking in the right spot. So if you're watching for shooting stars just after sunset, let's say 10 p.m. to midnight, you want to look northeast. But if you're going to wait until just before sunrise, let's say 3 a.m. to 5 a.m., pretty much just look directly above you. So go find some shooting stars and make a wish.